All right, welcome back to FreeCodeCamp. We're on JavaScript algorithms and data structures. We're on Learn Introductory JavaScript by building a pyramid generator. On step 45, it says, now you see a series of hashtag characters, but the pyramid shape is still missing since we see it's straight. Fortunately, the I variable represents the current row number in the loop, enabling you to use it for crafting pyramid-like structures. To achieve this, you will use the repeat method available to the strings. So we have this repeat method available to the strings. The method accepts numbers as arguments, specifying numbers of times it repeats. So for example, for this code string, we have it repeating 3 times, so we'll see something like this. So now we're going to use the repeat method on the character and give the I for the number. So we have this character right here. We can add this dot repeat method. So we have this dot repeat method, and then we have this I as the index, which will tell us, will shape it. So now we click check your code and submit. So now step 46, we're getting closer. So we have a frequent problem like zero-based indexing in JavaScript. So this means the first index in our rows array is 0. This is why our for loop starts with the I equal to 0. So to fix this, we're going to add 1 to the variable and repeat it. Do not assign the I like you did in your loop condition. Alright, so to fix this, we're going to add 1 to the value of I. So over here, we're going to do let I equal to 0. So I plus 1. Hold on, let me read this real quick. So to fix this, we're gonna add 1 to the value of I in our repeat. Oh, I see. So we add the I plus 1 over here, so our index is not 0, or so our I is not 1, but it is, or is not 0, but it is 1. So now step 47 says logic performing a pyramid is gonna get complex. A function, we're gonna use a function block. Alright, so the function keyword tells JavaScript the name variable is going to be a function. Parameter is a variable that represents a value that is passed in a function when it is used. So we're going to declare a pad row function. We're not going to create any parameter variables yet, and then the function body should be empty. And we're going to use camel casing for the name. So we're going to do const, or in this case, we're going to do function pad row, no parameters. I spelled function wrong here. So function pad row, no parameters, and then no body for now, just curly braces. It's like this. So now step 48 says in order to create a function, we need to call it. So just like here, we have this function test, and outside the curly braces, we have this call to call this function. So now we're going to do the same here for the pad row function. So line 8, outside the curly braces, we do pad row, and with this parentheses to run it. Now step 49 says you're calling pad row function and it's not doing anything. So to see results of the calling your function, we're going to declare a call variable and assign it the pad row call to the variable. So we're gonna, it says to see the result calling your pad row function, declare a call variable and assign our existing. So we can do const call is equal to this pad row. So now we're going to add a console log statement to print the value of call. So line 9 we do console.log call, just like this. you should log your call variable. Log statement to print value of call. Oh, call.value. Const call. So now add a log statement to print the value of the call variable. So we should add a console log, then call. Oh, it should be inside our pad row function. Or not? So there is something. You should log our call variable. Oh, we're gonna use semicolons at the end, just like this. So make sure it's in your function. And then we have semicolons with this console log. So now step 51, our call variable has an undefined. So for step 51, we're going to use the return keyword and have it return the string hello. So inside our pad row function, we do return, then hello. We can just add semicolon. So now step 52. It says to add, so we're going to add parameters now. And in order to add a parameter, in this example code, we have function demo, and inside the parentheses is our parameter. So anything we pass to this name. So if we have let name equal to FreeCodeCamp, it will be passed to this, and then whatever the function does, it will do with the name. So now it's saying the name sounds like a useful parameter, so go ahead and add it to our pad row function. So inside these parentheses, we go add name, just like this. And now in step 53, we're going to change our pad row function to return the name parameter instead of this hello. So just do name just like this. And now it is using this parameter name. So now step 54. Now we will be passing this, we will be using this parameter. So in this function demo, we have this name parameter and we return the name. And then outside this call, when we call demo, we're also passing the parameter, which in this case is Naomi, as a string, and it will return Naomi. So we're going to do the same here. We're going to pass our own name as the argument. So in our pad row, our const call pad row, we have this parameter now. Just call FreeCodeCamp or anything, and just click enter.